Hey folks, Detectable back on the goldfields yet again. So I'm back at that spot half hour from home, not far from Avoca, so in the Avoca area. And I'm in the spot where I found those 12 bits. I've actually been back here once with Famo 59 the other day, and it was wet, very wet, and we got soaked. Went to about 4 spots. We went to this spot first, and found 4 bits. Tony found 3. Then went to the next spot. Tony found 4 and I found nothing, so I had 4 bits for the whole day. So still great day out in the bush looking for gold with mates. Fantastic, had a great day. So I've been here 5 minutes. Pretty much I want to say pretty much where I left off last time when I found the first 12. Probably moved up a bit anyway. So got my first bit just in there, and that little bit there it is, right there. Very shallow, on the edge of a dig hole. Don't tell me I lost it. Oh no. You only just hear it. The phone was making the noise more than the actual gold. Anyway, that's okay. First bit, 5 minutes. 10-second curse, I doubt it, but we'll see how we go. Okay, folks, Detectable. Probably about 15-20 minutes later, a couple of holes later, right on the edge of the holes there's a bit of flat ground here, and it's just right next to the track just here. You can just make out the track there, and swinging around, no lead shot, no junk. Well, one bit of junk was a bottle top, an old stubby bottle. Anyway, and so I got the second bit right there. So thought for sure it was going to be a lead shot. The way it sounded like that, I thought, yeah, lead shot, it's off the diggings and closest to the track. So keep pottering around, see how we go. Let's get some more. Let's go for double digits again, shall we? Try and get more than 12. Hey, folks, Detectable. Yeah, it's 12:30 now. It's been just about an hour, about over an hour since I started. And this is my third piece. It's really tiny. Look at that. And it was in very light soil. It's all this. It was in the fluff. It was in that. So, and it was hard to find. I dropped it. I think I dropped it twice. But anyway, loud, but so tiny. It's a little flat bit. It's shocking. Yeah, that's number 3, I think. Is it 3 or 4? I don't know. You know, but I can't remember because it's been a little while. So yeah, I'm at that place where I sat down last time on the log. So this is about as far as I got last time, and I gave up. And I think when I first came here, I'm not sure. My memory's really bad. I'm bad with names too. Anyway, moving on. See how we go. Okay, folks, Detectable. Well, it's 2:15 at the moment. I had lunch about 1-ish, just about an hour ago, I would say. Had my sandwich, my fruit, and a bit of chicken. Anyway, so yeah, and I've been finding lead shot after lead shot after lead shot. This side of the diggings, past where that tree where I sat down the other day. I'm not sure if I can get that. It's pretty much straight ahead. Oh, right there, see in the middle, that little log going across? I was sitting on that log. Anyway, so I'm a bit down from that, and that side of the log is all lead shot. Now, I just got a bit, and it's bit number 4. After I checked before, I've only got 3 in the bottle. Right, have a look at that tiny little bit in the scoop. That is so tiny. That's going to be probably the smallest one I've ever detected. And have a listen. I'm sure you can hear that. It's pretty soft. Anyway, bit number 4. Hardly a bit, but it's bit number 4. And I found it. It's been there waiting for me all this time. Let's try and get those double digits. I'm not sure it's going to work, but I'll try. Oh, folks, Detectable. It started to rain a bit. I went, what's the name? Famo 59 turned up, and he's been working another part of the diggings. We've been sort of working this area a bit. More me on this area. We tried a couple other spots. I didn't do too well. He's cleaning up, but he's an expert. He's a good fella. So I'm in the car. I was about to come out and do the start of the diggings where I first came in, and it started to rain. And then I was, I can't be bothered. So, you know, I'm just going to call it here. I'll go home. I'll clean up the gold. It's not much. It's really small gold. I'll weigh it up. I'm probably lucky to get 0.2 for those 4 bits. So we'll see what happens. But all in all, I've found 23 bits of gold in these diggings. They're all tiny. Tony found about 4 bits himself, or three bits himself actually. So it's about, all in all, about 26 bits have been found in this area alone. So it's not a big area. So pretty good. Anyway, see you back at the house, and we'll see how much that little bit of gold weighs. Cheers. Hey folks, Detectable back in the Detectable Man Cave. Alright, so it's after 8 p.m. now. I've had dinner, had a shower, made coffee, and yeah, done stuff. Anyway, so there's all the rubbish. So there's the bottle top on the left. That actually disintegrated in my pocket, so it's in about 10 pieces now. And that's all the lead, so that's all lead there. And these are the 4 bits. I'll try and get a bit of brightness on that. There's the 4 bits there. But that's another bit. That's one I wasn't sure of, and I didn't film it because I wasn't really sure what it was. And you can just see a bit of colour in that one. It's not the best. I wonder if this will work. Let me get over it first. Here we go. I had it a second ago. Here we go. You can see the bit of colour in that one. That's actually 5 bits for today. It's got a bit of mud on it, but that's what it is. So anyway, that's all of them. Let's chuck them on the scale and see how we did. Let's see. I'll just try and get these because they're little bastards to pick up. So 0.04, and it's gone up to 0.06. Sorry about the reflection. Oh, gosh. 0.13. Hey, we're getting somewhere. And those 4. Wow, that didn't weigh anything, that last one. And it's actually 0.15 now. And adding that last one, 0.17 for 5 bits. Yep, that's what it is these days. So all the tiny gold doesn't weigh much. Anyway, 0.17. Can't complain about that. It's pretty good. Anyway, that's all I've got for you tonight. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, share if you like, and tell your mates. And let's get to that 1,000 subs so we can get that gold. Where is it? It's in here. So who wants to win this gold? This is going to be the 1,000 subs draw for this nugget right here. It's over 2 grams. I won't say how much because that's going to be part of the game once we do the sub. So don't do your guesses now because they won't count. So it's really bad light in here, I know. Anyway, that's the gold. Just chuck it around. Who cares? Leave you with that. Can't focus. Don't matter. You know what it looks like. See you next time. Cheers.